Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Buick LaCrosse Premium Group, stock number Z8901A. Only 58,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, champagne silver metallic in color. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the large car class, seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, push button start, heads up display so you can keep your eyes on the road, large easy to read gauges, forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. Navigation. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. New brakes and almost new tires. For more information on this LaCrosse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.